Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to access the Kuja Resource Center. The Resource Center brings together expert-led courses, blogs, and practical toolkits designed to help individuals, community-based organizations, CSOs, NGOs, and INGOs strengthen their knowledge, build new skills, and enhance their impact. Let's get started. To access the Resource Center, navigate to Kuja link and select Library Resources. This will take you to the Resource Center, where you can begin exploring the available learning materials. There are several ways to find the resources that best match your interests and learning needs. If you're looking for a specific topic or resource, use the search bar to quickly find relevant content using keywords. You can also browse resources by creator to explore materials developed by a specific organization or contributor. Filter by focus area to discover resources related to your work, interest, or areas you'd like to learn more about. You can also browse resources by project, such as Tota, to explore materials developed under a particular initiative. Or simply scroll through the available resources to discover blogs, toolkits, and other learning materials that interest you. When you find a resource you'd like to explore, simply open it to learn more. For blog articles, select Read Blog here to open and read the full article. For practical guides and manuals, select the View Toolkit. This opens the complete toolkit where you can explore the content and download it in your preferred language if available. Many toolkits are accompanied by short, expert-led courses that help deepen your understanding of the topic. To access these courses, select Courses from the top left corner of the toolkit page. This will take you to the learning section where you can enroll in a short course related to the resource you've been exploring. Each course includes an estimated completion time, allowing you to learn at your own pace while building practical knowledge and skills. Congratulations! You now know how to access blogs, toolkits, and expert-led courses through the Kuja Resource Center. Whether you're looking to build your skills, stay informed, or strengthen your organization's capacity, the Resource Center offers practical learning resources to support your journey. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore our other Kuja tutorials to get the most out of the platform.